So before I started this YouTube channel, I've worked on a number of channels, and in all those channels I've never actually shown my face. I've been able to garner thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and I've been able to make money off my videos. You don't need to show your face on YouTube if you want to be successful at it. Showing your face is great if you want to build a brand out of yourself, if you want to have a a more sort of intimate experience with your viewers, if you want to have if you want a more personal touch out there. So it's definitely recommended to show your face, but there are still a number of ways you can run a successful YouTube channel without having to show your face. So I'm going to share with you 10 ways you can do that in this video. So the number one way is tutorials. Tutorials are great. They're easy to make. All you need is a screen recording software. Camtasia would do. It's perfect. I use OBS Studio in some of my videos because it allows me to show my face at the bottom while also recording the screen. You can use it just to record the screen. Otherwise, as I mentioned, there's Camtasia and there are a number of other screen recorders out there that you can use. This is especially useful if you're making computer tutorials, if you're making walkthroughs, if you can also use screen recorders for your mobile phone. So if there is something that's technically oriented that is on screen, you can use a screen recorder to do that. The second way is gameplay videos, and these are really popular on YouTube. YouTube loves gameplay. As long as the footage that you're using for the gameplay is original, it's your own footage, gameplay videos are a great way to not show your face but also keep the person watching entertained. Now of course, if you're a gaming channel, that is your primary footage as it is, but even if you're making other types of videos, gameplay footage can be used. There are channels out there that make videos about interesting facts, about videos that are related to knowledge and information, the top 10 sort of videos, and some of them actually use gameplay footage in their videos, and they simply talk over, they have a voiceover, or there's a commentary on top, and that is a great way to not show your face but also have something out there. The third way is animation, and animations are a great way to make videos without showing your face. Animations are particularly successful on YouTube. Some channels that do animation, for example, Odd Ones Out is a really good channel out there that gains tens of millions of views per video, and all it does is make animated videos. Now obviously the animations of that sort are a little more sophisticated in nature, but the easiest video to get started with the animations, and it helps you, this software allows you to make whiteboard videos. It's Sparkle Video Scribe, and I'll put a link in the description, and that's the easiest software out there to get started with animation. It's a great way to make explainer videos and to make videos again that are related to information. Number 4, you can use props, and that involves using objects. So if you want to do a funny comedic skit, you can use your socks or something as puppets, and basically your imagination is the limit as far as this one is concerned. Just look at what's around you and how you can use that to make something interesting. So number 5 is for the lazy people out there, the people who are not too technically oriented. They cannot work on animations, or if you aren't into gameplay and stuff, wear a mask or sunglasses or a bandana and try to hide your facial features as much as possible. The advantage of doing this is that you don't have to get into troubles of editing and into troubles of doing too many technical things. Next, you can use a background image, and this is perfect if you are doing a podcast, or if you're simply doing a commentary, or if you have an audio piece out there. A background is more than sufficient, because here the crux of your content lies in what you're speaking and not what you're showing on screen. Next, you can do review videos. So if you are reviewing a gadget, put focus on the gadget itself. So if I'm reviewing a mobile phone, I would have a mobile phone in front of the screen, and you would talk about the specifications of that mobile phone on screen. It's easy to do. It puts what you're talking about right in focus, and it's great particularly for review channels, as I've said. So the next way is to make travel videos, and that means to put focus on what's around you outside. So instead of me being in focus, I would show you all of this stuff and simply make weird noises from behind. So the next way is to make a compilation of images instead of having an actual video out there. And in the process, what you may want to do is you may want to get royalty-free images, and you can do that of Google by looking for reusable images. So the next way is to gather stock footage, and in particular I'm talking about Creative Commons videos that you can get directly off of YouTube. What you do here is that you go to YouTube and under licenses you select Creative Commons license. The videos that you get here, you can pick any of these videos and you can include it in your final video that you upload onto YouTube. Now bear in mind though that you don't want to take just one clip and run it through the course of your video. Those types of videos have been demonetized even though you use Creative Commons footage. The thing with Creative Commons is that you must add something meaningful to it. So for example, if I was making a video on say the top 10 dog breeds, me picking up footage of just one dog breed from YouTube, that could get striked off. My channel could be demonetized. But if I pick up 10 different clips and I have a commentary on top of it that adds meaning to this entire thing, that is something that will work, and that is the way to approach this sort of a strategy. So let me know if you guys know of any other methods to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Write them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned about the YouTube community, about YouTube updates, and about making money online. I'll see you guys later.